Dear students, I would like to speak with you about operations on integer powers. You had studied the order of operating the mathematical operations as follows. Do the operations inside the parentheses, the interior then the exterior. Calculate the powers of the numbers indices. Do the multiplication and the division in order from left to right. Do the addition and the subtraction in order from left to right. Also, the scientific calculators follow the same previous order in operating the mathematical operations. In the following some examples as an application for the previous order. Example number 1. Find the result of each of the following. Number 1. 20 divided by open bracket 12 minus 2 close bracket times 3 power 2 minus 2. Number 2. Root 3 power 7 divided by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 5 times root 5 power negative 1. Solution. Number 1. 20 divided by open bracket 12 minus 2 close bracket times 3 power 2 minus 2 equal 20 divided by 10 times 3 power 2 negative 2 parentheses equal 20 divided by 10 times 9 minus 2. The powers of the numbers. This equal 2 times 9 minus 2. Division. This equal 18 minus 2. Multiplication. This equals 16. Subtraction. Number 2. Root 3 power 7 divided by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 5 times root 5 power negative 1 equal root 3 power 7 divided by root 3 power 3 plus 2 root 5 power 1 minus 1 equal root 3 power 7 minus 3 plus 2 root 5 power 0 equal root 3 power 4 plus 2 times 1 equal 9 plus 2 equal 11. Prove that root 3 power 2 minus n times 15 power n plus 2 divided by root 3 power negative n times 3 power n times 5 power n plus 2. This all equal 27. LHS equal root 3 power 2 minus n times 3 times 5 power n plus 2 divided by root 3 power negative n times 3 power n times 5 power n plus 2 equal root 3 power 2 minus n times 3 power n plus 2 times 5 power n plus 2 divided by root 3 power negative n times 3 power n times 5 power n plus 2 equal root 3 power 2 minus n plus n times 3 power n plus 2 minus n times 5 power n plus 2 minus n minus 2 equal root 3 power 2 times 3 power 2 times 5 power 0 equal 3 times 3 power 2 times 1 equal 3 power 3 equal 27 equal RHS. Simplify to the simplest form. 3 power 2 minus x times 81 power x divided by 3 power x plus 1 times 3 power 1 minus x. Then find the numerical value of the result when x equal -1. Prove that 9 power x plus 1 times 4 power x divided by 6 power 2x equal 9. If x equal 3, y equal root 3, and z equal 1 over root 3, find the value of each of the following in the simplest form. xy all square, x plus y all square, x power -3 over y power -3, x power -2, y power 4 all power -2, x square plus open bracket xy close bracket square z square. Solution number 1. xy all power 2 equal x square y square equal 3 power 2 times root 3 power 2 equal 9 times 3 equal 27. Number 2. X plus y all square equal x square plus 2xy plus y square equal 3 square plus 2 times 3 times root 3 plus root 3 square equal 9 plus 6 root 3 plus 3 equal 12 plus 6 root 3. Number 3. X power -3 over y power -3 equal x over y power -3 equal 3 over root 3 all power -3 equal root 3 over 3 all power 3 equal root 3 power 3 over 3 power 3 equal 3 root 3 over 27 equal root 3 over 9. Number 4. X power -2 y power 4 all power -2 equal x power -2 all power -2 times y power 4 power -2 equal x power 4 times y power -8 equal x power 4 over y power 8 equal 3 power 4 over root 3 power 8 equal 3 power 4 over root 3 power 8 equal 3 power 4 over 3 power 4 equal 1. Number 5. X square plus xy all square z square equal x square plus xyz all square equal 3 square plus open bracket 3 times root 3 times 1 over root 3 all square equal 3 square plus 3 square equal 9 plus 9 equal 18. If x equal root 6 and y equal root 3, find in the simplest form x power 4 y power -4. If 7 power x equal 5, find the value of 7 power -x. If 5 power y equal 9, find the value of 125 power y. If 3 power n plus 1 equal 6, find the value of 3 power n. If 5 power x equal to, find the value of 5 power negative x. If 3 power x equal to, find the value of 27 power x. If 2 power x equal 5, find the value of 2 power x plus 2. Solution number 1. Since 5 power negative x equal 1 over 5 power x, since 5 power x equal 2, therefore 5 power negative x equal half. Number 2. Since 27 power x equal 3 power 3 all power x equal 3 power x all power 3, and since 3 power x equal 2, therefore 27 power x equal 2 power 3 equal 8. Number 3. Since 2 power x plus 2 equal 2 power x times 2 power 2 distribution, and since 2 power x equal 5 given, therefore 2 power x plus 2 equal 5 times 4 equal 20. Find the result of the following in the simplest form. Root 8 power 3 divided by 2 open bracket root 2 power 3. This all divided by, put in the denominator bracket root 2 plus 2 close bracket power 2 minus 4 root 2. Solution. The given expression equal 2 root 2 power 3 divided by 2 open bracket root 2 close bracket power 3. This all divided by 2 plus 4 root 2 all minus 4 root 2. This fraction, all fraction equal another fraction up in the numerator 2 power 3 open bracket root 2 close bracket power 3 divided by 2 open bracket root 2 close bracket power 3. This all in the numerator divided by 6 equal 8 divided by 2 all divided by 6 equal 4 over 6 equal 2 over 3. Find the result of the following in simplest form, then check your solution by using the calculator. 2 root 5 all power 5 divided by 2 root 20. This all divided by 2 root 15 plus open bracket root 5 minus root 3 all power 2. If x equal root 5 and y equal root 7, find the numerical value of each of the following: x power 4 minus y power 4 divided by x squared plus y squared. Number 2, x power 3 minus y power 3 divided by x minus y. Solution. Number 1, x power 4 minus y power 4 divided by x squared plus y squared equal x squared minus y squared all times x squared plus y squared divided by x squared plus y squared. Difference between two squares. This equal x squared minus y squared equal root 5 squared minus root 7 squared equal 5 minus 7 equal negative 2. Number 2, x power 3 minus y power 3 divided by x minus y equal x minus y all times x squared plus xy plus y squared all divided by x minus y. Difference between two cubes. This equal x squared plus xy plus y squared equal root 5 squared plus root 5 times root 7 plus root 7 squared. This equal 5 plus root 35 plus 7 equal 12 plus root 35. If x equal root 5 and y equal root 3, find the numerical value of each of number 1 x power 4 minus y power 4 divided by x squared minus y squared. Number 2 x power 3 plus y power 3 divided by x plus y. Connecting with geometry, find the nearest centimeter. The radius length of the circle whose area is 5.2 times 10 power 3 centimeter square, given pi equal 314 times 10 power negative 2. The area of the circle equal pi r square. Solution. Since the area of the circle equal pi r square, therefore 5.2 times 10 power 3 equal 314 times 10 power negative 2 times r square. Therefore, r square equal 5.2 times 10 power 3 divided by 314 times 10 power negative 2. Therefore, r equal the root of the fraction, which its numerator 5.2 times 10 power 3 and the denominator down is 314 times 10 power negative 2. And you can use the calculator as the following. If the volume of the sphere equal 4 over 3 by r cube, find to the nearest centimeter the radius length of a sphere whose volume is 3.5 times 10 power 5 centimeter power 3, given pi equal 3141 times 10 power negative 3. Remember the rules of calculating the areas and volumes of some solids. The cube, natural area 4L square, total area 6L square, volume L power 3. The cuboid, natural area 2 times x plus y times z, total area 2 times xy plus yz plus zx, volume xyz. The right circular cylinder, natural area 2 by rh, total area 2 by rh plus 2 by r square equal 2 by r times h plus r, volume by r square h. The sphere, total area 4 by r square, volume 4 over 3 by r cube.